guys, welcome back to Kiarabharris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So this is the last video of Locvember. I hope you guys enjoyed Locvember. I personally had a great time recording it for you guys. So let's jump into the video. So I am protective styling my locks. It's been crazy. I haven't been able to do my hair doing everybody else's hair, so I decided to install some twists. Y'all know this is my go-to protective style. I'm not doing the rope twist method because my short locks are a little too short for that, so I just decided to do individual twist. So I used Cuban hair, and it only took me one pack to do it. The biggest pack, I think it says 3 times, so it has 3 times as much as the hair in the pack. And I split one strand of it up 4 times to make my twist small. So yeah, it's a lot of hair on my head because I'm not used to wearing hair on my undercut. I usually just do it at the top, but I decided to do all the way around so I can play around with some different styles and stuff. So yeah, so I'm just installing this. I do have a video of me installing Marley twist on my hair, so, and a few shorts also. So if you guys want to see an in-depth video, you guys can go watch those videos. But I'm not going to talk much during this video. It took me about 3 days to install this style. I just wore it up in a bun until I got it done. But they're super small and they're really long, and I really do like them. They turned out super cute. You guys enjoyed Locvember, and I'll see you guys in a few days for Vlogmas. So enjoy this video. Peace.
Condo boy. Do not stop, oh. It's your choice to lock your hair, so please don't stop, oh. Yeah. Do not stop, oh. It's your choice to lock your hair, so please don't stop, oh. Yeah. Make us start is something, looking is a journey. Please don't worry, you go look pretty. Looking is a journey. Looking is a journey. That is something, looking is a journey. Please don't worry, you go look pretty. Looking is a journey. Looking is a journey. Let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Yeah. So let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Oh, let it flow. So please don't stop, oh. Yeah. Do not stop, oh. It's your choice to lock your hair, so please don't stop, oh. Yeah. Let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Yeah. So let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow.
Yo, home to Bel Air. Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air in West Philadelphia. Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all, shooting some b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air. I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way. She gave me a kiss and then she gave me my ticket. I put my Walkman on and said I might as well kick it. First class, yo, this is bad. Drinking orange juice out of a champagne glass. Is this what the people of Bel Air living like? This might be alright. But why does a dude look like a cop standing there with my name out? I ain't trying to get arrested yet, I just got here. I sprang with the quickness like lightning disappeared. I whistled for a cab and when it came near, the license plate said fresher than a dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this cab was rare, but I thought, man, forget it. Yo, home.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. But I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want that, I want that, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do since recruiting isn't an option. Due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my